आप उस तरफ होने चाहिए ना, इनको इस तरफ किसने अलाउ किया? इनको उस तरफ रखिए। Thank you, thank you. Well, I'm styled by Anisha Jain. She's been styling me for a while now. Yeah, so that's what I'm wearing, and thank you for the compliment.
Good evening to you, Shahid.
Good evening.
Fit to fight बड़ा ही अच्छा इनका इनिशिएटिव
जी।
है, इस बारे में थोड़ा सा बताएं ज्ञान दें।
Gee, when when Reebok came to me and they told me that they wanted me to be brand ambassador, and then they took me through their entire campaign, and they told me about Fit to Fight. They told me about how they view fitness in a holistic format. I was very impressed. I think it's amazing that a brand as big as Reebok is choosing to support an initiative like this. I really believe women have always been empowered. The most important people in my life have been women. I was born and brought up by a single mother. My mom was the strongest person I knew. In fact, I never ever felt as a kid that there was any difference between men and women. There were strong people and there were people who were not strong. And my mother was definitely very, very strong. I mean, she earned for the family. She brought me up. She taught me so many things about life, and she's here with me tonight. Thankfully, I don't know why, but I just felt like I wanted her to be here tonight, because when I talk about women and strong women and women whose stories deserve to be told, I felt my mom is just, she's the one that comes to my mind first. So she's here with me, and yeah, I think this is a great cause. I think it's a great initiative. It's great that Reebok's taken it up. That's the world I want Misha to grow up in, where women are treated as equals, if not better, because I really do feel women are better than men.
And
Shahid, Nation really wants to know, when is Padmavati releasing?
And I know I'll let you know.
Shahid, another woman who has joined you, your daughter, she's also very special.
She's still a girl, but you can call her a woman, all right?
Young woman,
Yes, yes. जो आपको ठीक लगे.
how much difference she has made in you?
Huge. I don't think there is. I remember I was talking to. We were doing IFA, and I was talking to Farhan. And Meera was pregnant, and we were going to have a baby in a couple of months. And I was asking him. I was like, "Man, you're a dad. Tell me all about it." And he just smiled and looked at me and said, "Shahid, whatever words I tell you are not going to justify how you're going to feel. Just experience it." And I totally understand why he was saying that. It's an amazing feeling. It's very difficult to describe. I just feel very happy and thankful and grateful, and life is amazing. I'm just grateful to God that I have Misha. She's the most beautiful thing in my life. Every man should wish for a daughter. What a daughter can do for a father, I don't think anybody else can do.
Shahid,
Any message to those fringe groups who are threatening?
तो इस तरफ रीबॉक और इस तरफ पद्मावती, आप लोगों ने ऐसा कुछ, या आप लोगों के बीच में कुछ कंसल्टेशन हुआ है कि क्या हुआ है?
ढल गया दिन टप।
जी,
मैं धीरे-धीरे उस पे भी आऊँ।
धीरे धीरे ना, ये see the difference between men and women. You are being strategic. She went straight for it. So she's fit to fight. You still need to work more. Yes.
Okay, so any message to those fringe groups who are threatening Deepika and such a beautiful?
How do you talk to people whose voice is, who are talking about violence? You can't talk to them. So the best thing is to be dignified and remain quiet, and hopefully everybody will stop, allowing them to talk on every platform, so that we don't, constantly keep showing people threatening people. I mean, that's not something nice to keep seeing all the time. It scares you, and it makes you wonder what's going on. So I don't want to say anything.
Basically, I'm regarding for the MBS. So that's why I take time to come up.
अरे अपना जस्टिफिकेशन मत दे भाई, सवाल पूछ ले. अंदर मुझे अवार्ड देने 4.
You will be awarding you to mom also. Is it like this?
No, I won't be awarding my mom. My mom has just come, and she's, a part of this moment for me, because for me she's the most empowered woman, and for me she is the symbol of strength and what this entire campaign stands for.
Shahid, probably there will be, we may not meet before the New Year's. What are your plans for the New Year's?
No plans, I'll be with family.
Any expectations for the New Year's for the coming year?
The date will change from 31st to 1st. December to Jan, 2017 to 2018. Everybody will wake up saying this year is going to be so different, but actually life's the same. You make it better, you're fit to fight, you get up every day and you make it better. New Year or no New Year, that's what I think.
Before you leave, Miss Kangana was also
Yes.
She was also strengthened her support towards you and the whole fraternity. How do you take?
No, I'm very thankful to everybody who has spoken for Padmavati. I'm very grateful to everybody who has, come out there and expressed their concern. And sometimes their anger, sometimes people have been emotional, sometimes they've been very logical in breaking it down. But there's a lot of people from the fraternity who've come out and spoken for the film. And at such times, when you feel a little vulnerable and you feel a little emotional because everybody's put so much work into the film. And a lot of sincere work. I don't think you can make a film like Padmavati unless you really give a part of your heart and your soul to the film. Obviously, leading from the front is Sanjay sir. We're all just following in his footsteps. You feel very grateful that people are supporting you, and so I'm thankful to Kangana and to everybody else who has spoken for Padmavati and has been so kind and so brave as to come out there and express themselves.
Shahid, up to
Okay, so
I am fit to fight. One more question you ask me and let's go for it.
okay, so I suppose you have done a period film and so much has happened around. So in future, will you be scared to do a period film again? Like,
Udta Punjab was not a period film. There was a lot of controversy around it. I don't think scared is the right word. I don't think creative people should be scared because you can't create if you are constricted. You can't create unless you feel liberated and open. And I think art is a reflection of society at large. So it's important to express yourself with a certain sense of freedom, especially in a democracy. But everybody is very concerned. The whole fraternity has expressed a lot of concern because it's enough that you deal with when a film is coming out. There's issues like piracy and a lot of other issues that you have to deal with, which are larger issues that one is dealing with. So you don't want new issues to crop up because when a film releases, it's a very vulnerable product. We don't like to hold on to a ready film for very long because piracy can happen, something can get leaked, and you're really trying to keep that together. So of course, I'm sure everybody is very, very concerned about it, and so am I.
it has been a very long time. Even your manager is also a woman.
Okay. So what's your question?
So I'm just thinking like thanking her for all the support she has provided to us.
To you? She's provided you support?
Yeah, she has.
I need to have a word with her if she's provided you support. What's your question, yaar? You want me to thank Akanksha? Thank you, Akanksha. Okay? And you have no more questions left. Basically, तो manager तक पहुंच गया है. अब चला जाता हूँ मैं.
नहीं wishes चाहिए.
Yes, wishing everybody a very, very happy 2018. Have a safe year, have a happy year, believe in the goodness of life and spread love because you feel happier when you spread love. So spread love.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.